Hi everyone, my name is Paulo and today I'm gonna show you the Arch of the Cinquantenaire in Brussels. The Arch of the Cinquantenaire is located in the Parc of the Cinquantenaire, which is a vast set of gardens dotted with monuments and museums in the heart of Brussels. In this park you can also find the Temple of the Human Passions, a creation of the great Art Nouveau artist Victor Horta. The Art and History Museum, where you can discover the secrets of Belgium's past. The Military Museum, where you can find the weapons used during First World War and II. The Autocar Museum, with one of the biggest collections of the most common modes of transport in the 20th century. Nevertheless, the most important structure here is the Arch of the Cinquantenaire. It was built by Géréon Bourdieu and Charles Giraud, inspired by the marvelous Palace of Marseille. It was inaugurated in 1905 and took 25 years to build. By mixing stone, glass and iron, and adding huge metal frame hulls, this palace was intended to be a showcase for the technological know-how of the late 19th century. The 45-meter-high Bay Arcade, linking the two wings, was financed by King Leopold II. It is topped by a quadriga, sculpted by Jules Laguet and Thomas Vinsot, illustrating Brabant raising the national flag. Both the park and the arch were first intended to celebrate the 15th anniversary of Belgian independence. By the 75th anniversary of the Belgian independence, the construction of the arch was running out of financing. So King Leopold II decided to invest money of his own pocket pay for its construction. Or at least, that's what some history books say. Others say that the anniversary of the Belgian independence was just an excuse used by King Leopold II to beautify the city in order to raise it into the rank of other European capitals, or even make it look more like a real colonial capital. But who was Leopold II? And where did he get the money to pay 450 workers for years to build the arch? In the late 19th century, Leopold II established a colonial occupation in what we know today as the Democratic Republic of the Congo. By threatening, kidnapping and torturing the Congolese population, the Belgian army sent by the king forced them to gather natural resources, mainly rubber and essential materials for the car industry. This generated massive profits for the Belgian colonists in the Congo and increased exploitation of the native population. It is because of the great profits that Leopold II and Belgium made that this huge arch was constructed.